Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning January 31st to February the 6th. This week I was so excited to plan the month for February because it was a great month. Started with my birthday, ended with the birth of my son, so you know it was a great week. So I used this January 2022 mystery kit from SBC and I paired it. I did a mix metal moment with pink foil and a matte bronze foil, predominantly from SBC, and then I used the pink balloon underlays from PlanWithAds. Basically, I had planned on using a completely different kit, and then my baby shower. I ended up doing my baby shower on this week, so this mystery came in handy because it had the baby boxes. And I did go back and forth with which kit I was going to use, but I ended up with this one because it was so pinky, and I had a boy. I didn't know if this was the best kit to use, but then all the birthday kits I had were quite girly anyway, so I was like, I might as well just use this one since it had the baby shower boxes. Before I start, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So this week I was 36 weeks pregnant and my baby was the size of a romaine lettuce. And it was also the week of Lunar New Year, but I did not use a Lunar New Year kit because obviously it was my birthday week, also my baby shower week. And basically the whole month of February is basically baby kits. So I used it the week before, as you saw last week, hopefully. So as you guys watch me lay down the base, I'm going to continue with my random questions. So the question I left off on was, do I have any special talents? So I think I can consider them talents. I am quite good at doing hair. Good enough that I did it throughout uni and was paid for it, and still do it now. Well, not while I'm technically on maternity leave, but still do it as like a kind of side hustle. And I'm able to do my hair neatly, precisely, and without a mirror. So I think that's a special talent that I do have. I think I can be quite creative. I guess anyone who is a planner gal or boy or person is quite creative if you think about it, because you kind of have to be able to do this hobby. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm basically good with my hands. I can sew with a needle and also with a sewing machine. I just haven't done it in a long time. I think those are my talents. I don't think I have anything else that is super amazing as a talent. Okay, where were you born? I was born in East London in the United Kingdom. That's where I was born, and I've lived in East London my whole life. Not in the same borough that I was born in, but still in East London. I shall be moving out of London very soon though. And obviously in uni I didn't live in London, but that was only briefly. Next question. What languages besides your native language would you like to be fluent in? I would love to be fluent in German because my husband is, well, he's Nigerian, but he grew up in Austria, so he speaks German, and I would like my son to speak German, so I would love to also be fluent in German. I think that's the only language I really want to be fluent in, and maybe Spanish, because my nephew is half Spanish and he speaks predominantly Spanish, so I would love to be able to like fluently talk with him, even though he can speak English, just not as well. Or as you can see in the sidebar, I added pictures. Had loads of flaps of me and my husband and me and my bump and like our baby shower cake and setup, and I had fun doing that. Sorry, let's see if I can I fit in one more question? Yes, let's try. What are my hobbies? Well, this channel is basically filled with my hobbies. I like to do hair and I like to plan. Those are my hobbies. I like to watch series, especially old ones. Those are my hobbies that I love to do. I'm quite boring if I'm honest, but yeah, that's what I like to do. Next one is, do you have any pets? No, I do not have any pets, and I do not intend on having any pets. I'm just not an animal person. People always say, but if your son wants a pet, unfortunately that's not going to be possible. I'm just not an animal person. I don't enjoy the thought of having pets in my home. So anyways, let's start with the day by day. As you can see, I just added the 36 week sticker from PMD Stickers, and also a Lunar New Year sticker also from PMD Stickers. So let's start with the day by day, starting with Monday. So 31st of January is me and my husband's dating anniversary, which he says we shouldn't really celebrate anymore, but I still want to celebrate it, but that's okay. So I use this couple sticker for Papershire and a happy anniversary script from, what's it called, Rose Colored Dates, to know it was our 8-year dating anniversary. I then use a pillow icon from the foil bundle and a tidy AF script from Sugar Box Stickers to note being super duper tired that morning. Oh, and I used the With My Love script in matte bronze also on that box. I couldn't see it. I then use a present icon from the icon sheet that came with this kit to note. In the extender, I used a slipper sticker from Cardi Plant to note I was wearing my slides to work. I then used this bow from the icon doodle sheet that came with the kit to note covering. I used the Joy of Planning swollen feet sticker to note that my feet were swollen. In the bottom half of the day, I used another Joy of Planning sticker to note it was moody. I used a Moody Madam script from Adobe Image Designs. Then use this Mixie Cat Stuff sticker to note being in my feelings. The In My Feelings script is from the foil bundle. And then I use this PMD stickers couple sticker to note cuddling with my husband. The cuddle script is also from the foil bundle, and I kind of alternated the icons and scripts as much as I could. Moving on to Tuesday, at the top of Tuesday, I marked it that day was the 1st of February with a cupcake sticker from the doodle sheet and a Hello February script from Rose Colored Days. I then marked work the same way with a present from the doodle sheet and a work script. I marked a covering with another bow from the doodle sheet. I then marked being in my feelings again with this Sad Girl from Whimsical Cat Studio and an In My Feelings script from SBC. Do not remember why I was upset this day. Then marked having a midwife appointment in the afternoon with this appointment sticker from PMD Stickers and a midwife appointment custom script from the planner PixieCo. I marked doing some planning with this present wrapping sticker from the doodle sheet. I think I was doing baby shower planning, and a planning time script from the pink foil bundle. Into the extender, I marked that my blood pressure, these things happen before doing some planning. Oh no, I use this to mark that we went through my birth plan. That's what it was. I then used a BP sticker from Papershire to note that my BP was really high again. I thought it wasn't really high, it was just higher, since they didn't send me to hospital this day. I then used a stethoscope sticker from the foil bundle and kit to note that my iron was low. And then I used this banana Papershire sticker to note that I was prescribed some pills for my lower iron. I used a house icon from the kit and foil bundle to note that I went to my mum's house. And then I used this banana on a toilet sticker to note that I was having some stomach issues. On to Wednesday. So at the top of Wednesday, I marked being really tired with a bed icon from the foil bundle and a tired AF script from Sugar Box Stickers. I then marked work with a work script and a present sticker from the icon sheet. I used a plain sticker from SBC to note that my mum went on holiday this day. I then used a boy character from PMD Stickers to note that my husband had a day off work. So I used a day off script from Planner Hannah to note that. I then used this Joy of Planning Girl to note that I was just overwork and I just wanted to go home. I used another Joy of Planning Girl to note having sharp pains in my back. On the bottom of this day, I used a controller sticker from Kylie Plans and a video game script from Make Plan to note my husband gaming. I then used a planner sticker from the kit to note Plan With Me binge. I used a binge watch script from Sugar Box Stickers to note that. And then marked my husband giving me a foot massage with this foot massage sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio. And then I finally used a bed sticker from the foil bundle to note going to bed early. And I was supposed to write in it, but I forgot. I will fix that later on. On Thursday, I marked going to work the same way I had the rest of the week, and also I marked covering the same way I had the rest of the week with this bow. I marked being super busy with a stack of books from the kit and foil bundle, and a so busy custom script from Kinsey's Creation, which you may know is no longer open. I then used a grocery cart sticker from Once More with Love and a grocery script from SPC to note doing a grocery run. Ooh, yes, basically I remember what happened now. So I ordered my groceries to my mum's house instead of my house, and luckily I was already in the area to get my nails done, so I had to go pick it up from my mum's house. I then noted a nail appointment with this, I think it's GP Studio, I missed that shop, nail varnish sticker and appointment script from the foil bundle to note that. I then marked being super tired with this face mask sticker from, slate mask sticker from the foil bundle. I should have used matte bronze, but I guess I poured the stickers before I put everything down, obviously, so it just works out this way. And then I used a tired AF script from Sugar Box stickers. I then marked my feet being super duper fat with this. Sorry, I got a phone call. As I was saying, I used this Joy Planning Girl to note that my feet were fat. I then used this stethoscope sticker from the foil bundle to note that I had to go pick up the prescription of the pills that I was prescribed on Tuesday with my blood pressure. I then noted my husband gave me another foot massage with the foot massage sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio. I marked my husband gaming with a controller sticker from Kylie Plans and a video game script from Mick Plans. I marked eating some spaghetti with a cutlery icon from the kit and foil bundle. I then marked packing in my bag for the weekend with a luggage sticker from SBC and a pack script from Mick Plans, because my baby shower was at my mum's house, so I was going to spend the night on Friday to right after work, so I had to pack my bag this day. I don't know why I need to over-explain myself. Well, I don't know why I'm over-explaining myself, shall I say. On to Friday, I used this cake slice sticker from that same doodle sheet to note that TGIF, thank God it was Friday. Then marked that it was a rainy day with a vanilla jumping in a puddle sticker. Then marked work the same way with the present icon from the doodle sheet. Inside of the extender, I marked being super busy with this PMD stickers gal and a so busy custom script from Kinsey's Creations. And then marked going to my mum's house with a house icon from the foil bundle. I then marked cleaning up at mum's house. I actually was cleaning my room with this GP Studio cleaning sticker and a clean script from the foil bundle. I marked setting up the living room for the baby shower with the wrapping present sticker from the same doodle sheet. And then I marked me and my cousin doing the balloon arch with this Glam Planner Teeny Tot, I think it's called, with balloons to note that. And then marked us getting some Chinese with this knife and fork icon from the foil bundle. I noted doing my husband's hair with this hair dressing sticker from Kylie Plans. Then I noted being in my feelings with this sad Olive from Olive Studio and in my feelings script from the foil bundle. I'm usually always in my feelings on my birthday, so this was technically like 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night, but yeah, I'm always in my feelings on my birthday and I never know why. I think it's just part of my routine. So on to Saturday the 5th of February, aka my birthday. At the top of that day I used this Simply a Mess Girl to note that it was my birthday. I used the SBC script to note that. I said it's my birthday, baby. Then use a alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and kit to note waking up early. The up early script is from Planner Hannah. I then use this paper shire Nana on a phone to note getting loads of birthday calls and use a birthday script from SPC to note that. I use this frying pan sticker from Kylie Plans and a cook script from Sugar Box stickers to note I was cooking some like finger food for the baby shower. Then marked getting ready with this bath gel from Papershire to getting ready. Then noted my baby shower with a Oh Baby Paper Shower Cake sticker from PMD Stickers. I marked playing all the games with this laughing sticker from Papershire and a playtime script from Make Plans. I noted getting loads of gifts with a gift sticker from PMD Stickers. Also, down in the day extender, the reason everything's so squishy in this day is because this was meant to be a 4-box day, but I put the scene inside, which I was only meant to do on Sunday, but I put on both days, so I had to squish everything in, but it's okay, it still turned out fine. Okay, so next I noted cleaning the house afterwards with this vacuum sticker. I think it's from Kinsey Inspiration, and a clean script from the photo bundle. Then marked me and my husband going back home with a house sticker from Carly Plans. I noted having a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from the foil bundle and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. And then marked my husband playing video games with a controller from Carly Plans and a video game script from Make Plans. And then finally I used a bed sticker from the foil bundle and a late night script from SPC to note that we went to bed quite late. On to Sunday. At the top of Sunday I marked sleeping in with the bed sticker from Carly Plans and also a sleeping script from Carly Plans. I then marked having a really lazy day, of course, because I was so tired with this what's it called? Single PlanWithAds girl in a blanket and a lazy day script from Carly Plans. I noted having some tea with a tea or like takeaway hot drink cup from the foil bundle and kit. I marked sending out individualized thank you messages with this envelope sticker. I think this is also from the doodle. I can never say that word, doodle sheet that matches the kit. I noted taking another nap with this nap sticker from Tilly's Journals. Then marked my husband gaming with the controller from Carly Plans and a video game script from Make Plans. I then noted a Plan With Me binge with a cloud planner icon from the foil bundle and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers. And then marked replying to my birthday messages with a phone icon from the foil bundle. And then I marked sleeping again with a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a sleep all day script from SPC. So I kind of woke up, did something, slept, and then woke up again, did something, slept again, and we both just kept sleeping. So that was what I did to mark that. So this was the first of the baby heavy month, using this kit from SPC. This is such a great kit. I really loved adding in these pictures. I noticed that I only did it for this month and I haven't added any pictures anywhere else. We shall see where else I feel like I need to add any pictures. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, I'm showing you guys all my extenders and a bit of a wiggle. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And this is what was left of this kit, which is a lot obviously because it's a mystery kit. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.